Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to transfer a Udemy credit balance to your bank account. The most important thing to understand is that it is not possible to transfer Udemy credits directly to a bank account. When you request a refund for a course and choose to receive the refund as Udemy credits, the money is added to your Udemy account balance. These credits can only be used to purchase other courses on Udemy. They cannot be withdrawn, transferred to a bank account, sent to a credit card, or moved to any external payment method. Once the refund is processed as Udemy credits, the transaction is final. Now, let me show you how to avoid this issue in the future. If you are requesting a refund for an eligible course within 30 days of purchase, first go to your purchase history page in your Udemy account. Find the course you want to refund. Click on Request Refund. You will then see different refund options. Make sure you select Original Payment Method instead of Udemy credits. When you choose Original Payment Method, the refund will go back to the same payment method you used to buy the course. This could be your bank account, debit card, or credit card depending on how you paid. This will help you avoid receiving non-transferable Udemy credits in the future. Thanks for watching.